Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the skin of your character on the Minecraft game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Minecraft game on your device, and once you open up the game, you will be taken into the main menu from which you can directly start your game. Now, if you wish to change the skin of your character, simply click on Hero Settings, and now you can simply click on Change Skin. You will now see the various different skins that are available to use for your character. Just tap on whichever skin you prefer to use and then tap on the done button, and now this skin will be selected for your character right away. You can now tap on the select button and this hero will now be selected, with which you can start your game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your skin on the Minecraft game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.